So now we're just gonna, I'm just gonna blanch some asparagus. So the first thing I've done is, got my water on. I want that to be boiling. Gonna add a little bit of salt. Helps it to boil. Got my asparagus here. Let's just snap the ends off. Get rid of the woody bit. And then I'm going to peel the asparagus down a little bit. I've also got some ice water ready. There we go. Nice little peeling there. Nice little spare. Maybe just a little bit more. Just get all that off. Water's coming up to the boil. Let's just peel this one down a little bit. Can you see that? Can you see that there? Okay. Yeah. More. Okay, now the water is boiling rapidly. Okay. I'll just take that off. So. Okay. Asparagus. Okay. So I've got my 2 pieces of asparagus there. Now I'm just going to, the water's boiling, it's boiling really rapid, can you see that? Okay, good. And then I'm just going to drop the asparagus into the pan, like so. What time are we on? So we're on 158. Just tidy these bits up a little bit. Okay, and here I've got my ice water ready. I'm going to take the asparagus out when it's just about cooked, drop it in here to refresh it and cool it down. So it was on 158, so let's say it was on the clock, so that is 29, 28, 29, that's 30 seconds on that. Just take one out, have a look. And that is just about, I'm going to give it another, let's give it 45 seconds or something. Bit more, let's give it, that's 50 seconds. 50, let's give it, so just about giving it 60 seconds, and that's nice and soft now. So take it out with a slotted spoon, take the water off, so asparagus straight in the ice water there. And we're just going to let that, and there we go. It's cooked asparagus ready to go. See how green it comes out after it's been blanched? It's really cool. Okay. I'm just going to put it on a plate so you can see it. One plate there. Okay. That's nice and chill down now. Put it on there. Right, so let's give that a little bit of a, right, there you go. So there's your peeled and blanched asparagus.